Don't you just hate that post-wash drip? Because I know I do. You get your car washed, you think everything looks great, only to find that this one spot, especially right here alongst the mirror, it's just constantly leaking water. We just ran our car through the Chemical Guys car wash. You guys can actually check it out right here behind us. We can't be driving around with the dirty cars. So today we just dropped the brand new towel. This is our all new little Megalodon multi-purpose microfiber towel, which can honestly be used for just about anything, especially for drying these little drips right here. So what do you think so far? Cool?
Not bad, bro.
Yeah.
Looks really good, actually. It's nice and big, too.
Yeah. So just think of it like more like 3 times the suction power and cleaning power. Yeah, you feel it.
Yeah, right away.
Yeah. Woo. Yeah, it's perfect for the door jams too, bro. So how are we looking over here? You like it?
Yeah.
Is it cool?
Yeah, it's easy.
So we're gonna be using our all new little Megalodon right here to just quickly soak up all the running water that we have left behind from our wash. And honestly, this can happen anywhere, even on your own personal wash at home. You already know, if you've been a victim of the drip, you gotta stop and pick yourself up a little Megalodon. This is gonna save your life because you can see this utilizes our Megalodon twisted loop microfiber drying technology on one side. And on the other side, you have a finishing side, which is great for just about everything else. And the great thing about this side is that it also utilizes our twisted loop technology. So you guys can take a look up close. Even though the pile may be short, it still is twisted loop. So you can still use it for finishing, for drying, cleaning glass, cleaning your interior, removing polishes and waxes from your car. This towel is multi-purpose for a reason. But me personally, I love the thicker side just because I feel like it absorbs more water and it's easier to just glide over the surface. Whereas the short pile side may be great for finishing surfaces. So like if you're touching up your glass, like perfect example right here. I don't have too much water left behind. I'm gonna flip it to the short side right here and just go over it and buff off any excess water that may be lingering behind. And don't worry guys, I'm still gonna touch this up with my glass cleaner just because I love my glass. So we're just going around the truck, making sure that we wipe off all the water left behind, especially from all the little cracks and crevices like the door handles, the window trim. Look, check this out, the water drip. It's the infamous water drip right there, right before our eyes. Can you see it, Jason? You know what? We're not a fan of the drip around here. Hashtag stop the drip. We're gonna go ahead and wipe this up with our towel, just like that. Also make sure we get in that little crevice because that's where the water's coming from. And voila, drip, no more. And one cool thing about this brand new drop is that this utilizes the exact same microfiber technology that our fan favorite Megalodon drying towel has. It comes in a 2-pack, so you can actually speed up your drying process. As you guys saw me using one towel this whole time, I was being over here like this. But if you want to Mr. Miyagi, wax on, wax off, double hand that thing, you can totally do so. Or you can also utilize one for your interior and one for your exterior. It all is up to you, don't worry. Look at that. And one of the biggest reasons why we came out with it in a 2-pack is because we had got so much feedback on our Megalodon saying, hey, you know what? This towel is amazing. It's large, it's absorbent, but this is for the people that don't want a giant towel because I'll be honest, me personally, starting off detailing, I was more of a small towel kind of guy and then I graduated to the big towel. But hey, you know what? Everyone has their own personal preferences, so that's why we decided to create them in a smaller size, but with the same great drying technology that you know and love from the Megalodon. So as you can see, the Lil Meg is not just great for your paint, it also works out great for all the other surfaces like your glass, your trim, and your wheels. We're now done touching up the outside. Now, let's move on to the inside. All right guys, so we're inside the car now, and thankfully my interior doesn't get too bad. It's mainly just dusty, and I ain't gonna lie, I've been doing some big back activity in here. I've been eating chips and stuff in here, and I got proof. Hey, you know what? Don't judge me because look, I'm pretty sure you guys have eaten in your car before, but for you guys that do eat in your car, I highly recommend you guys check out our Total Interior. This is great for just general maintenance, especially for all these dust, debris, the crumbs and stuff like that. And now with this towel, it actually works out even better because you have that soft finishing side on one side and you also have this plusher side on the other. So for things like these little nooks and crannies, the fibers, from what I found in my personal experience, is that they actually work better because since they are longer, it allows me to get deep into the cracks and crevices a lot easier. And I'm not there trying to force my way in there with the small, short ply towel. Just spray the product onto the, party foul. Just spray some Total Interior on your towel, and then you can go ahead and start wiping down all of your interior surfaces like your dashboard, your navigation screen. And this is just gonna allow you to just quickly touch up your interior without adding any kind of shine whatsoever, because I know that's a big thing for most people, especially when it comes to their interior, is that they wanna use something that doesn't have a shine to it, and Total Interior is the perfect candidate. So you just basically start wiping everything down, and once you're done with this side, flip it to the other side, or you can also use a separate towel. And this is gonna allow me to buff off any excess residue and or wipe off anything that may have been left behind. Wow, this looks amazing. Can't believe I just exposed myself as a big bag. Wow, incredible. All right guys, and there you guys have it. Just a quick little recap. We just launched our all new little Megalodon multi-purpose microfiber towel. As you guys saw, this thing works out great inside and out your ride, whether it be for drying, detailing, or interior cleaning. The possibilities of this towel are limitless. So if you guys enjoyed this video and want to pick up your very own 2-pack of our all new little Megalodon multi-purpose microfiber towel, you can do so by visiting our website, 𝘃𝗵𝗄𝗃𝗍𝗔.com, your local detail garage store, or even here at the 𝘃𝗵𝗄𝗍𝗍 car wash. As always, my name is Joey, this is 𝘃𝗵𝗄𝗍𝗍. We'll see you guys next time.